Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Check. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 9 on the topic Unit 7 Lesson 6. I am repeating, today our topic is Unit 7 Lesson 6. Students, this is lecture number 4 and homework number is also 4. So students, please take your textbook. I am going to read from your text. Listen to me carefully. Our today's topic is Unit 7 Lesson 6, name Love for Humanity. So in this picture, what can you see? This is the picture of Mother Teresa. I hope you have heard a lot about her. You know, she is the woman of humanity. Now I am going to read the text. Mother Teresa was moved by the sight of the sick and dying on the streets of Kolkata. She founded a home for the dying destitute and named it Nirmal Hriday. Nirmal Hriday means in Bangla pure heart. So Nirmal Hriday meaning pure heart. She and her fellow nuns brought the dying people of the streets of Kolkata to this home. Here nuns means monk. They were lovingly looked after and cared for. Since then, many men, women, and children have been taken from the streets and cared to Nirmal Hriday. These unloved and uncared for people get an opportunity to die in an environment of kindness and love. So, in the house of Nirmal Hriday, the people who are living unloved and uncared life, they get love and care. In their last hours, they get human and divine love and can feel they are also children of God. Here, children of God means all people are the creation of Almighty. So there is no difference between any people. Before coming to the Nirmal Hriday, people used to lead inhuman life. They were without love, without care, without humanity. When they came to Nirmal Hriday, they got all the opportunities like other people. They can take their last breath like normal people with love. The missionaries of charity try to find jobs for those who survive or send them to homes where they can live happily for some more years in a caring environment. Regarding commitment to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family we have somebody who is feeling lonely, who is feeling sick, who is feeling worried. Are we there? Are we willing to give until it hurts in order to be with our families, or do we put our interests first? So while serving the people outside, we have to think about our family. There are some family members in our family who are feeling lonely, but we are not thinking about them. They are feeling sick. So first we have to serve them. We have to think about them. We have to put interest on them. We must remember that love begins at home, and we must also remember that future of humanity passes through the family. So if we are care for our family members, our future will be bright, because humanity begins at home. Love begins at home. If we are able to treat our family members in a good manner, then we can behave well with other people of our society, of our country, and of the whole world. Mother Teresa's work has been recognized throughout the world, and she received a number of awards. As Mother Teresa is considered as the woman of humanity, she got a lot of awards for her work. These include the Pope John XXIII Peace Prize 1971, the Nehru Prize for Promotion of International Peace and Understanding 1972, the Belgian Prize 1978, the Nobel Peace Prize 1979, and the Bharat Ratna 1980. Mother Teresa died at the age of 87 on 5th December 1997. The world salutes her for her love and compassion for humanity. She has taught us how to extend our hand towards those who need our love and support irrespective of creed, caste, and religion. The picture of Mother Teresa draped in a white sari and blue bordered sari with a wrinkled face, ever soft eyes, and a saintly smile lives on our mind. So you can see Mother Teresa wearing white sari with blue border. So we can remember her face with this smile, and we will remember her works as long as. Now students, I am providing you homework. Your homework will be exercise C. Students, please read this text again at home and practice English communicative, and don't forget to do your homework and submit it on every Saturday. See you in our next class inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.